President ke MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong balapha syaki Block Congress Committee ban Jied yaki Kyrtong nakabenta ke MDC election kebansawan. Haga jingkran mentakasngi syakilat pathai ke board uba Pala ulaong baka parti ke basyong jingalang mentakasngi kilarai ban bensyat hagi Block Congress Committee ban Jied yaki Kyrtong nakabenta ke MDC election kebansawan like no tang hagi constituency badan kijing yakni nibam la rai ke block an sashimti ke board bakham shalor ke parti Bandrai yaki Kyrtong.
I think very interesting, and there's a new energy in our party now because many people join us today also, and we are keep on continuing working at the grassroots level now. We are reorganizing the party. Unfortunately, MLAs has left us, but out of the 3 assemblies which have left us, 2 assemblies we already reorganized, and the next we'll meet in a week. I think we'll reorganize under the 3rd one. So there was a setback at the beginning, but today we are coming with a stronger team actually. Be it Umsning, be it Nongstoin, be it Mahoti. We have reorganized in Nongstoin and Umsning, but Mahoti and then I think they are meeting us within a week. But we already have a team and in charge for all these 3 assemblies. The rest of the assemblies, I think we are doing well, and we are ready for the elections. We have given an instructions to all the blocks to submit their list, and at the same time, if they already have in mind for the candidates, so they will give it to us. We have decided in the party also that normally in the Congress, the candidates will come and meet the president, and the president will send it to the block. I mean, the tickets used to be distributed by the at the higher committees rather than the lower. But we have decided that it should be recommended from the block. We will not interfere, except when they could not decide at the block level and the district level. Then we at the MPCC level, we will take a call on it. This is a decision today.